I bet each of you wants to become a popular and well-paid game developer. But how to achieve this? Well, if you have the right guardians from people who have already become so, then it will be easy for you to succeed on that path. Guy who can help you on this path is right in front of you, so I, as a game developer of many years of experience, can help you quickly and efficiently become a very wanted game developer. This is my second game development course so far on udemy.com, and along with creating several games in C#, you will increase your knowledge in game development, increase your experience in fixing errors in game development, and mainly get motivation for later on in future create your own games and projects, and of course earn some money from that work. So let's look at what we'll learn in the course. First, we are going to practice C# programming language, step by step from easy to advanced lessons. So you will get through these awesome C# section tutorials one by one, and I will explain everything what we did here, every lesson step by step, and you will understand completely how you can work later on in your own projects by using this awesome programming language. And of course we'll make our 3 games in this C# section, in this C# programming language. So we will use this language to make our 3 games that I prepared here in this course for you. And our first game is 2 cards game. So we see that we have their nice main menu, and when we click on this small play button, we are in the gameplay, and we see that we spawning cubes and the circles now, and there is 2 ways of dying. So if we miss one circles and if we kick a cube, so now I will actually kick this cube or miss this circle, and we see that we have died. And also we see that we have there some simple game over panel. We have there a score that will count us how many circles we pick up in current gameplay, and of course a high score which is currently 15, and this is one very pretty tool in these small games. And also we see that we have the restart button for restarting our game, and we can play this game how many times we want, and I think this is one small cool game. Our second game is car jumper game. So we see that we don't have there some fancy main menu. This is one simple main menu with this text, with this play button and this exit button, and when we click this play button we are immediately in the gameplay with this scrolling background, with our taxi, and with the spawning bombs and diamonds. So we need to jump with our car how high we can, because we need to avoid these bombs when we pick up one of our diamonds. So now we'll pick up this one. We see that we increase this score above here by 1, and this is also very cool game. When we kick one of our explosion or bombs, we see that we play our explosion effect, this game over, click anywhere to restart, game over panel appears. And this is it for this game, guys. So when we click anywhere to restart on the screen, we will restart our game and we can play this game how much we want. So again, when we kick one of our bombs, we see that our car explodes with our cool particle effect that you can also import in this course. And this is that for our second game. And last one game in this course is our wizard runner cool game. So we see that we spawn there our enemies, we have a wizard that we can control our wizard with our keyboard arrows, and we see whenever we move our wizard play particle effect from itself, and this is very cool. Also we see that we have there 2 scores here. One is health score, one is score if I can say like that. So whenever we pass our enemies, our score here on the top right corner increase, and whenever we kick for example one of our enemies, we see how cool we destroy our enemies with our wizard, but we also destroy one health life of our wizard like now. And that is that, guys. If I kick one more time with our wizard enemy, we see that we had there 0 for the health score. Actually we died, and we can click R to restart our game. So when I click R button, we immediately restart our game and everything come again from scratch. So this is our last game in this course, guys, and I think you will be satisfied with what you will learn in this game. The course is intended for all levels in game development, so if you're a beginner or if you're not, in this course you will learn a lot of what you definitely didn't know before. So if you want to become a successful game developer and build your game development career, then this course is right thing for you. Take this course now and believe me, you won't regret. Therefore, I will be very glad to see you in the course and together develop some games in Unity. See you!